All right, sis, do you want to help me? I'm going to take some of these cabinets down.
I started my DIY project in the kitchen, and it got out of hand.
This was going to be a little bit more of a headache than I knew we were in for.
I really did think that I could handle a lot of these little DIY projects myself.
Bye-bye, ugly backsplash.
Hi.
Hi. It started out with one cabinet.
There are cabinets here.
All across here. And then the next step was adding some open shelving. I realized that I just, bit off more than I could chew.
I know you probably had good intentions taking the cabinets down, but you've got exposed electrical. That's sketchy. Electrical is one of those things I don't mess with, like at all.
This scares me every day just looking at it.
So the cabinets over here, your initial thought was to turn these into open shelves temporarily, but really you want this wall to go away?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I would love nothing more than an open concept with an island.
So taking this wall down.
Yes.
You showed me a picture of a giant hole. Where is that? Because I don't see it here.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be a big deal to take this wall down.
This has to come down. This is a must for me.
Okay. So what's this room used for? Is this another living room?
It's really just been a room that we don't know what to do with. Usually we have the karaoke machine in here.
That's fun.
Yeah, so it's kind of been like our recreational room.
What is this over here though on the wall? I see another hole.
Oh, yeah, so we had a leak in the roof. This happened about 2 years ago. It started cracking the wall.
Like so what was here, you could see?
The wall was here and you could just see the water damage. We did fix the roof. I'm just left with this mess from the leak.
This is definitely mold, right? You can see it.
Yes.
All this black stuff, this is black mold. But I don't know exactly how far this damage goes, and that's kind of what I need to figure out. If the mold, in fact, hasn't fully dried out and it's still active, then it's pretty dangerous to have in your house.
Right.
I would just say for now, this room should be off limits until we know what's going on.
Okay.
That leak could have had other implications and damage could have happened, so it's up to me to figure out what's going on in this corner. Just thinking through everything we've talked about, what I need to know is overall, how much money have you set aside for this project? Like, what's your budget?
My budget is around $70,000.
I'm gonna try to stretch that budget as far as I possibly can. If it's okay with you, I'm gonna ask you to help me as much as possible.
Yes, I would love that. Teach me everything you know, Jasmine.
Okay, no problem. We were scared in the kitchen. We didn't know what the extent of the water damage was. The good news is everything we found was dry and we were able to move forward with taking this wall down. This will change everything. It will make the kitchen more open. It will make this house the house that Maddie dreamed of with the open concept. And she'll be able to host more clients and take her business to the next level. I'm excited that we're gonna be able to make it happen. Woo! Well, say that's an open wall. So, I mean, the good news with making sure that the roof is all patched is that we know that there isn't gonna be any new water damage.
Right, but we don't know what's behind the stucco.
Okay, so let's get this drywall down first.
All right.
To see that much wood that's eaten away, that makes me really nervous.
Yeah, that's really soft.
Oh my gosh. There's no framing. Ah! That is gnarly. Whenever there's water in a place it shouldn't be, especially in this case, like on wood framing, it attracts termites. And here, it attracted a lot of termites. This should be what's holding up the roof and the house and everything. This is not good.
No, this is the worst termite damage I've ever seen. There's literally nothing left.
Oh my God. This entire corner of the house has been compromised. And like, I don't know what's holding it up. I can't even begin to think about how much this is gonna cost.
While Scott and I have been uncovering issues in the back of the house, our contractor David discovered yet another problem.
So we started demoing the ceiling in here. Tons of rat droppings.
Nope.
Yeah, it's pretty bad actually. Like, it's everywhere. It's all over the floor. It's in the insulation. We didn't find any like actual rats.
This house has had a rat problem for a very long time. I don't think Maddie was aware of it. This is a big problem. So let's call the exterminator right now. Hopefully they can get here today, like right away. Our day's over until he gets here. Today has been one of those days. The good news is that we now have all new insulation in our attic and we'll have no more critters living up there. All in all of these issues are taken care of and now I can move forward.
And we can finally put up new framing that's termite free.
Demo's done. Ready to start framing.
Cool. I feel like this is almost ready to go up
No, it's ready.
in the ceiling. Today, we're going to install a decorative beam. We've already installed our structural beam. It was engineered, it's up in the ceiling. We're never gonna see it again because it's behind the drywall. What I wanna do is add a decorative beam between the two posts to really tie this all in, and it's gonna make it feel like those posts belong.
Scott and I started building banquet seating for the dining room, but I'm gonna invite Gwen and McCoy to come help me finish it off as a surprise for their mom. Hi, guys.
Hey. I don't often get to work with the kids of my clients.
This was such a great opportunity for them to be involved and to give back to their mom.
Cool, looks good.
You think your mom's gonna like it?
I know she's gonna love it. It's
Yeah?
so cool. How could she not?
This project, it's been one for the books. This house is now eclectic, it's collected, it's curated, it's fun, and that's exactly what Maddie is. She's gonna be able to come in here, run her business, have the house that she wanted when she bought this place initially. I can't wait to welcome her home. Hi!
Hey, how's
New house day!
Good to see you. Me too. I'm so excited.
You ready for this?
Oh man, I'm more than ready.
Yeah?
I cannot wait to see what you did in there.
Well, the time has come. The house is finished, so that's
Okay.
exciting.
Yes.
So I see you inching closer and closer to the front door. Do you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my God. I don't even know where to look first. I'm obsessed with everything. I'm like overwhelmed. It feels bigger,
A lot bigger.
right?
There's no wall here.
I'm like in total shock right now. It's
Yeah.
totally different. Everything. It doesn't even look like the same house. These beams are out of control. Well played with that little nook that I never knew what the heck to do with. I never thought of that utilization of space like that. You maximized it 1,000%. This could seat like 8 people if
Right?
you wanted to. Yeah.
This is what the kids and I worked on.
So creative.
that
I'm
fun?
loving it. Oh, the fireplace looks amazing. I love how it turned out.
It's
I
so
love
pretty,
it.
and I love that you were here for every step of this. The only thing I added afterwards was this mantle.
It's so perfect. It ties everything together.
Seeing Maddie in this like new state of happiness, she's definitely reinvigorated.
Oh my God, that's my fridge?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
We painted it.
It looks vintage.
It's a custom color, so the floating shelves
Uh-huh.
match the backsplash tile.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so first of all, you have floating shelves. That's what started this whole project, right?
Yes.
We went all the way to the ceiling with the tile.
Love this tile. It's so fun, but it's classic.
Yeah. What about the whole room that you haven't even seen yet?
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Jasmine! This is amazing. It doesn't look like the same room.
It's like part of the house now.
It is part of the house. It has so much character. You just came in here and transformed everything. It is amazing. I'm still like, can't find all the words. I could have never done this by myself. And I feel like you came in at a time that I really needed you. And you really just saved the day.
Aww,
Gorgeous. I feel like I made the best decision having Jasmine and entrusting Jasmine to take over the house.
Oh
What do you guys
I
think?
love it.
I feel like not only is this remodel an investment in my family and in this home, but I also feel like it's an investment in my business.
This is what we built, Mom.
You did?
It looks so good.
I love having the space with my kids. This is a house that we made a home and it feels like us now.